Hello guys, today we'll talk about new phone is Sharp Aquos R9 Pro. Before begin, don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell to receive all videos. Number 1, the body. The body measures 162 by 78 by 9.3 mm and the phone weight 229 gram and have IP68 dust water resistant up to 1.5 meter for 30 minutes. Number 2, the screen. The screen here is Pro XO LTPO OLED display with size of 6.7 inches and a resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels and come with refresh rate 240 Hz, brightness reach to 1600 nits. Number 3, the processor. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. This means you can play games as PUBG Mobile Smooth, Ultra Extreme, which means 90 frames per second, and same thing in Call of Duty Low, Ultra FPS, and other games with one from best experience. And the phone come with stereo speaker system, clear and loud. And before entering the fourth point, I hope you don't forget to do like and subscribe. Activate the notification bell. Number 4, the camera. There are 3 camera here. The main camera wide in this phone 50 megapixel, the second camera 50 megapixel telephoto, the third camera ultra wide 50 megapixel, take beautiful pictures as you see and record video 4K 30 frames per second, and front camera wide 50 megapixel and the camera record video 4K 30 frames per second also. Battery. The battery size is 5000 mAh, a big battery with charger 30W charge 50% in 30 minutes. Number 5, the price of Sharp Aquos R9 Pro is $350 version, 128GB 8GB RAM, and there are other versions and their prices. Thank you to watch to the end of video. Don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.